Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you sign up for Namecheap affiliate program. So how do you get the affiliate link for it? So firstly, open your browser, just Google Namecheap affiliate program. So once you Google that, click on the the result with that heading, Namecheap affiliate program. So once you're here, this is the home page, so click on apply now. So once you click on apply now, you'll have these three options here. So here you can just choose either one that you wish to join. So for example, I'm clicking this one, click on enroll here, the first one. So it's now loading the registration page. So let me just wait for that. So yep, once on my enrollment page, so here what happens is that I need to enter my basic information, name, email address, your company email address, and your username, so all those information. So just provide and also generate a password. So get all those things fill in, and then below underneath you will see the company information. So enter your company information, so plug that all those details in. So once you have plugged that in, and also the tax details, select the box that's applicable to you. So just do that, and yep, select whatever that's relevant to you. So just let me select that. So probably not this one or this one. Yep, this is fine. All right, and then here just choose whatever that you want, so the business model and all those informations. And then once you are done, so all you have to do now is, this is the payout details, so you can scroll down and have a look at it. Just read it and have a look about the agreements and all those things. So if you scroll down, it's a list of all those payout details, and then this is the agreements, so you can browse it and have a look at it and then just read it. And once you're done with it, so what you can do, so that's the download page, okay, the agreement. All right, so just read it, and once you're done with all this reading and everything, so final step is you just have to click on the sign up option. So once you're done, just click on sign up and then click continue. All right, so this should now complete the process. So let me wait for it. Okay, and yep, that's done. So now my registration has been processed. So what happens is the verification will be sent to my email address. So I just have to open my email and click on the link to verify my email address. So once that's verified, then my affiliate program, my application will be under process, and once approved, I'll be given the affiliate link that I can use to share and then start marketing. So that's how it is. That's what pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.